Item 4, anyone?
Yes, Your Lordship, I believe that Mr. Sizoram Chana has not appeared yet. This matter is the Narcotic Control Bureau matters, Your Lordship.
I know. Where's the counsel for the petitioner and the special PP? Yes.
My Lord's, item number 4, I am appearing for the petitioner. Pursuant to my Lord's order in the connected I, my Lord, we have impleaded the Narcotics Bureau as a respondent, and we had also served them a copy, and hence their name is also reflected in the cause list. So, my Lord, today perhaps the case diary has to be called for.
But there's no one present.
But we have served them a copy, and the learned PP's name is also reflected in the cause list.
Okay, we'll pass it over for the time being. You try to contact him.
Item 5.
My Lord, we have taken steps for the respondents on 21/1/2026. However, ID card for respondent 1 and 2 has not returned yet. However, for respondent 3, the notice returned unserved. So, if Your Lordship may allow me to serve through dusty mode.
How many respondents are there?
3.
And whom have you served so far?
1 and 2, ID card for 1 and 2 has not returned yet. And for 3, the notice returned unserved. So, if Your Lordship permits me to serve through dusty mode.
Okay, please write. Await service report from respondent numbers 1 and 2. Next para. Since notice sent to respondent number 3 has returned back unserved with a postal note, open inverted comma, return to sender, comma, insufficient address, close inverted comma, comma, again, on the prayer of the learned counsel for the appellant, let notice be served to respondent number 3 by way of Dasti
My Lord.
within 10 days through the registry of this court. Stop the appellant shall thereafter file an affidavit to show proof of service. List the matter again after 2 weeks.
Item number 6.
My Lord, the counsel, Mr. Jordan Roming Thanga, is out of station, and he has requested me to appear on behalf of him. If this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the applicant, my lord, in the IA, Lordship. We have some urgency in the matter, my lord. It is an income tax proceeding, my lord, and your Lordship's right order dated, my lord, 26/8/2025 has stayed the proceeding initiated against the, my lord, petitioner. And in fact, my lord, it will be time barred by 31st of March this year, Lordship. So, my lord, I filed this application for modification and vacation of the interim order dated 26/8/2025. So, Lordship, may I submit, my lord? Since we have urgency, my lord, your Lordship may kindly see the provisions of the Income Tax Act. I have put it in my application, my lord. It starts from, my lord, page 14 of my application. The provisions of the Income Tax Act which is applicable. My lord, section 158BA, assessment of total undisclosed income as a result of search. Notwithstanding anything in any other provision of this act, where on or after the first day of September 2024, a search is initiated under section 132, books of account, other documents, or any assets are requisitioned under section 132A. In the case of any person, then the assessing officer shall proceed to assess or reassess the total undisclosed income of the block period in accordance with the provisions of this chapter. Therefore, your lordship may see at page 22, my lord. That is the time limit it is prescribed under section 158.
See, Mr. Counsel, we'll do one thing. Let the other side also appear.
Lordship.
When is
Lordship,
he coming back?
what I submit, my lord.
When is he coming back?
My Lord, after 2 weeks.
Why
it may
2
be
weeks?
listed after 2 weeks.
Why 2 weeks?
That is the instruction I received from the
No, no, no.
council.
My lord, in fact, my lord, since your lordship has taken up the matter today, my lord, and as per Article 226, my lord, 3B, my lord,
Yes.
that interim order is supposed to be vacated, my lord, within 2 weeks, my lord, from the first date of taking up the matter, my lord, by this honorable court, my lord.
No, you were absent on 13/1 January. also.
Lordship, therefore, my lord, the time period will count from today, my lord, and after 2 weeks, my lord, it will be, lordship. So my submission at this stage, your lordship may allow us to proceed, and my lord, any my lord recovery that shall be subject to the my lord further order passed by this honorable court. Let the department be proceed against my lord petitioner, my lord.
No, I will have to hear the other side, Mr. Counsel.
Lordship, may I pray a short date, my lord, next Tuesday, lordship.
I'll give a short date.
Lordship.
Make the arrangement. Somebody should appear. This is an application filed under Article 226, bracket 3 of the Constitution of India, seeking vacation, alteration, modification of the order dated 26/8/2025, passed by this court in WPC number 98 of 2025. Stop appearing for the applicant. Mr. Your good name?
I'm Suman Chetia, lordship, standing counsel, income tax department.
Mr. Suman Setia,
Lordship.
learned, appearing for the applicant through RVC, Mr. Suman Chetia, learned standing counsel, income tax, submits that the interim order passed earlier may be vacated and that the income tax authorities may be allowed to proceed with the matter, subject to the final decision of the court. Stop. On the other hand, Miss, your good name?
Valil Thamwani.
Valat Lamwani, learned counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. Jordan Romhing Thanga and submits that as Mr. Jordan is out of station, she prays that the matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks. But where's the leave of absence? Not filed. Considering the urgency expressed by the learned counsel for the applicant, let the matter be listed again on,
Let it be on 24th, lordship.
today is what?
Today is 19th.
No, 19. Not 24, we'll have it on 26th. On 26th
No.
of February 2020,
Lordship.
My lord, meanwhile, if the interim order may continue.
interim order continues, I think there's no such kind of returnable date. Is it like that?
Lordship, otherwise also my application for vacation is pending, lordship. My lord, my only submission, your lordship may kindly record my submissions that otherwise it will be time barred by 31st of March this year, my lord. That urgency, my lord, the department.
Time barred, why?
My lord, because of the, my lord, statutory provision in the, under section 158BE.
All right. List again on 26th of February 2026. The
Lovely.
respondents, the opposite party may file objection to the IA. In the meantime, is so advised. Stop. The learned counsel for the income tax, standing counsel of the income tax department submits that in view of section
158BE, page 22 of my application.
in view of section 158BE
My lord.
of the Income Tax Act,
The proceedings shall be time barred by 31st of March 2026.
the proceeding shall be time barred by 31st of March 2026, and therefore there is
Lord.
urgency in the matter.
Lordship.
Okay. List accordingly.
Okay.
Yes.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item 7.
Oh, one more line. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Yes. May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a bail application filed under section 483 BNS, read with section 37 of Indian PS Act, lordship.
First time.
Lordship?
First time.
Yes, lordship, first time. Lordship, so the fact of the case is that, lordship, the petitioner was apprehended from his residence on the night of 19th of September 2025 in the early mornings around 2 a.m. lordship. He was not the only one who was just apprehended by the police, lordship. His brother Lalpek Thara was also apprehended from his residence. Now, Lordship, this is the case amounting regarding a substance, contraband substance amounting to 70.200 kilograms, Lordship, which is 6,56,500 tablets of methamphetamine. Now, Lordship, the petitioner, while he was in his residence, which is Dintharvang, Champhai, Lordship, the alleged place of recovery, Lordship, was at Zotlang, Champhai, Lordship, which is given in the FIR. Lordship, if I may kindly take you to the FIR, Lordship.
Date of arrest?
19th of September 2025.
Now, charge sheet has been filed?
Not filed yet, Lordship. So it has been 153 days since he's been in the custody, Lordship.
It has been
153 days, Lordship.
153 days. Notice will go today. Then you get the case diary.
Yes, Your Lordship.
At Mr.
Samuel L. Patswell.
Samuel L. Pachuao, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application under section 439 CRPC, oblique section 483 BNSS, read with section 37 of the NDNPS Act, the applicant seeks his release on bail. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the applicant was arrested on 19/9/2025 in connection with recovery of 65 bundles of methamphetamine concealed in sand from a truck bearing registration number MZ04 3223 near Zotlang, Champhai. Stop. He submits that the applicant was not arrested from the place of recovery, and he was taken from his residence at Dintharve, Champhai,
Yes, Lordship.
at 2 a.m. in the morning, along with his younger brother, who was later on released. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the applicant is innocent and he has been lingering in jail for the last 153 days and may be released. Next para, issue notice, returnable by. When can you get the CD?
Your Lordship, given the fact that this is from Champhai, at least a week time.
Okay. It's returnable by 27th of Feb, next Friday. Ms. Mary L. Kiante, learned additional public prosecutor, accept notice on behalf of the state. She shall produce the scanned copy of the case diary by the next date. List accordingly.
Much obliged.
Item 8.
Lordship, if I may have your indulgence, this is also an application for bail under Section 37 of the NDNPS Act, read with 483 of BNSS. This is regarding seizure of commercial quantity.
Date of arrest?
Date of arrest is 18/3/2023. 13/8/2023. And charge sheet has been filed. Prosecution evidence has been concluded. 313 accused has been also examined under Section 351 of BNSS. And it is at the stage of defense evidence. So the main grounds for the application is that the seizure was not made from the possession of the accused, as stated from the statement of as evident from the statement of the seizing officer as well.
Seizure not from the possession of the accused.
Yes, Your Lordship. And at the time of arrest, nothing, there was no grounds or intimation of arrest given to the accused or his family members. Those are the two main grounds of appeal, the application.
Now, the 313 is over, is for the defense. You have any witness?
Yes, Your Lordship, they are taking,
How many?
I think there's three defense witnesses.
3 defense witness. And how many bail applications have you filed so far?
Before the district court, I think there were, as per the order of the,
Not before the High Court.
not before the High Court,
District Court you filed.
district court they have filed.
It was rejected.
It was rejected on several occasions, Your Lordship, as per the order.
So that means you filed more than one application.
Yes, Your Lordship. At page 48, Your Lordship, 47, Your Lordship, the learned trial court has made an observation that
All right, Ms. Mary will take it up again on 27th as well.
Yes, Your
This
Lordship.
also?
Your Lordship, they have, on their grounds, cited the non-furnish of grounds of arrest. So if a scanned copy of the case report be called for from the learned trial court.
Okay. Heard Mr. Jonathan Lalit Luanga, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application under section 483 of the BNSS, read with section 37 of the NDNPS Act, the applicant prays for his enlargement on bail. Stop. He submits that the applicant was arrested on 13/8/2023 along with another person for alleged commission of an offence under section 21(c) of the NDNPS Act on account of recovery of 1216 grams of alleged heroin. Stop. Person thereto, a case was registered under excise case number EX-N-226 of 2023 under section 21(c) of the NDNPS Act. Stop. After the conclusion of the investigation, charge sheet was filed and prosecution witnesses have been examined. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the applicant also has been examined under section 313 CRPC, and the defense have been called up on to take their defense evidence. Next para, the learned counsel submits that two main grounds for seeking bail is that the grounds of arrest has not been informed to the applicant or to his near relatives when he was arrested. And secondly, the contraband substance was not seized from the applicant himself. Next para, in view of above, issue notice returnable by 27th of February 2026. Ms. Mary L. Kiante, learned additional PP accepts notice. Registry to requisition scanned copy of the records from the trial court concerned for perusal of the court by the next date.
Deeply obliged.
Item 9.
My lords, there is an IA on record. The IA has been filed under section 379 of BNSS 2023 for initiating a proceeding under section 215 for forging a financial instrument and furnishing as a false information on oath for the purpose of being used in a judicial proceeding, intentionally knowing it to be false and using it as to be a genuine, for grabbing a government contract with a deliberate intention to mislead this honorable court.
Otherwise, there's a writ petition pending, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. In
And
the
the
same writ petition,
Writ petition, the pleadings are complete. They have filed an affidavit.
they filed the affidavit,
From
but my
the
lord, I'll
affidavit-
seek some time to file the rejoinder in return of
Rejoinder.
that.
Okay. Now, insofar as this IA is concerned, you're seeking you file an application under 379
Yes, my lord.
BNSS,
Yes.
but it has been registered as IA civil.
My lord, the preliminary jurisdiction of this court is only to conduct a preliminary inquiry. Then if the my lords are satisfied, then they have to direct the matter to the first class judicial magistrate to initiate a criminal proceeding. So as of now, the jurisdiction is only of a preliminary inquiry with this honorable court.
Right, but nevertheless, should it be registered as a civil, IA civil?
If my lord may direct, I'll do the needful, my lords.
No, but what would be the correct nomenclature? That is for them to look into it.
My lord, the registry has
So,
already passed the
In
application.
fact, it is not every day that 379 applications are filed.
That's my lord, correct.
What is your take on this? 379. Have you filed any 379
Before?
before?
Yes, my lord.
Where?
My seniors, not me directly, sir.
In which court?
Delhi.
In Delhi. And how is it registered?
My lord, that was majorly filed, I think. So, my lord, I have to seek the instruction from my seniors for that. Because I was not directly involved in that matter.
Yes, who's for the other side?
My lord, I'm for Respondent 4, private Respondent.
And for Lordship, state that is respondent number 1 to 3, and both the respondents seek time to further gather instructions in this regard, Your Lordship. So if 2 weeks time may be granted.
My lord, may I issue the notice in the meantime?
No, before issuance of notice, I want to be sure how it is to be registered like that. Please write. Heard, Mr.
Karthik Jain.
Your good name?
Karthik Jain.
Heard, Mr. Karthik Jain, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that by filing an application under 379 of the BNSS 2023, read with the relevant provisions of the BNS 2023 and the Contempt of Codes Act 1971. The applicant seeks invoking of the inherent power of the court for initiating criminal proceeding against the respondents for committing forgery, perjury and criminal contempt of court by filing a forged and fabricated bank guarantee before this honorable court. Next paragraph, be it stated herein that the instant applicant is you are the petitioner.
Petitioner in the main writ petition.
Petitioner in WPC number 158 of 2025, wherein apart from the state respondents, there is a private respondent, namely respondent number 4, correct?
Yes, my lord.
My lord.
The respondents in the writ petition have filed their counter affidavit, and apparently it is on such filing of counter affidavit that has given rise to filing of the instant application. Next paragraph, it is seen that the the provision sought to invoke in the instant case is under the BNSS as well as under the BSA. And before proceeding any further, registry shall examine as to whether this application should be registered as IA civil, should examine and put up a note as to the manner in which, as to the propriety of registering this application as IA civil or otherwise. List this matter again on Tuesday.
My lord, I have some difficulty. I'll be traveling, so my lord can list the matter anywhere after 8th March. In the meantime, I'll be staying in touch with the registry and guiding them about the procedure, how to proceed in the matter.
Okay, list on 9 March then.
My lord, there is an ongoing interim stay in the main writ petition. My lord may be kind to extend it till the next date of hearing.
In the main writ petition, right, parties are represented by the respective counsels.
And I'll seek, my lord,
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks how much time?
my lord's 2 weeks' time.
2 weeks'
and
time to file the
maybe-
rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in position filed by the respondents. Prayers aloud. List again.
And my lord, the interim stay to continue till next date of hearing.
On 9th of March 2026. Interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Oblige, my
All
lord.
right.
Admission, item 1.
May it please your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the state respondents. In the last court order, I had been asked to seek instructions as to the copy of the verification done in the Sekhand Baga land acquisition. Your lordship, in this regard, I have received a letter on the 18th of February from the PWD stating that they do not have the records of the spot verification done. However, on correspondence with the DC Kolasib, they have requested that a further time may be granted. At least 2 weeks' time may be
Of
granted.
course,
Your lordship.
DC will be keeping the records.
Yes, Your
PWD
Lordship.
will not be keeping the
Yes, Your
records.
Lordship.
Maybe they'll be keeping a part of the records.
Yes, Your lordship. So if at least 2 weeks' time may be granted again.
DC is a party here.
Yes, Your lordship.
Respondent number.
Three.
3. All right. Mrs. Dinari will give them some more time. Parties are represented by the respective councils. Stop at the outset. Ms. Lalun Louis, learned government advocate, submits that in terms of the last court's order dated 30/1/2026, she had requisitioned the relevant records of the case, but she has been informed by the State Public Works Department that the records will be with the district Deputy Commissioner, Kolasib District, Kolasib. Are you in touch with the DC's office or?
Yes, yes, Your lordship, I am. I had spoken to them just a few days back, Your lordship.
Stop. She submits that she is in touch with the office of the Deputy Commissioner, Kolasib, and she's been asked to pray for 2 weeks' time to produce the relevant records. Next para, in view of above, and as prayed for, list again on so and so. When should we list it?
Your lordship, if it may be
Today's
listed again.
19. On 5th of March,
Yes, Your lordship.
Thursday. All right.
Much obliged, Your lordship.
Item 2.
My lord, I am for respondent number 6. I may be granted 2 weeks' time for filing my affidavit, my lord. I already sent my drafted affidavit for vetting, my lord.
You are for respondent number 6.
Yes, my lord.
What about the other respondents?
The state, they already filed, my lord, after we are newly impleted, my lord.
Please write, parties are represented by the respective councils. Respondent numbers 1 to 6 have filed their counter affidavit. Submits that M. Sangpui, learned CGC, appearing for respondent number 6. Submits that she has sent the affidavit in the position of respondent number 6 for vetting, and she requires 2 weeks' time to file the same. In view of above, list this matter. After 2 weeks, respondent number 6 to file the counter affidavit by then. All right?
Item 3.
May it please your lordship. My lord, as per the last court's order 13/2/2026, the registry had checked the postal consignment, and it was shown that, as indicated in the office note dated 18/2, my lord, the service report upon the respondent number 2 and 3
2 and 3.
was delivered on 6th of February.
Okay. Then how many respondents are there?
There are 3 respondents, my lord. Respondent number 1, Indasin Bank, was already represented, and they have already filed their affidavit. The matter pertains to freezing of the bank accounts of the petitioner. And I have an interim prayer, my lord, at this stage, which is not yet considered in the last occasion due to non-completion of the service report upon the respondent number 2 and 3. While the alleged disputed amount is about rupees 3 lakhs only, my lord, my entire account has been frozen. So at this stage, my lord, besides the disputed amount, it may be unfreeze.
How much is the disputed amount?
About rupees 3 lakhs, my lord.
3 lakhs?
Yes, my lord.
Under 3 lakhs? From where do you say that?
Page number 30, my lord. Page number 30 of my writ petition.
30.
There are two directions from Tamil Nadu cybercrime and the Maharashtra cybercrime. And in terms of the direction of the Tamil Nadu cybercrime police station, my lord, the disputed amount was rupees 3 lakhs 6,107. And by this letter, my lord, 7/11/2024, the Tamil Nadu cybercrime had already instructed the bank to defreeze the account and hold lien only in respect of the disputed amount, amounting to rupees 3 lakhs 6,107. And in spite of this, my lord, the bank authority are reluctant to defreeze my account.
Who is the complainant?
There are no complainants as such, my lord.
And how come this letter has come then?
Yes, my lord. If I may take a lawsuit to page number 21. This is the letter received by the petitioner from the bank, whereby they have informed the petitioner that they have received an instruction from the Tamil Nadu police and thereby freezing her account with immediate effect. But there is no FIR or any investigation as such, my lord. And moreover, my lord, there is non-compliance. The provision of section 102 of CRPC as well as the corresponding provision, section 106 of BNSS, has not been even complied with. There is no nexus between the petitioner's bank account and the alleged suspicious amount. And my lord, if I may take a lawsuit to page number 23, my bank account statement, page number 23. Page number 23, my lord, on the second column, account summary. In the middle of the page, my lord, account summary. On the right corner, my lord, the entire balance amount in my bank account is rupees 5,08,864. And the lien amount was shown as rupees 3,06,107.
What is this lien amount?
This is the disputed amount, my lord, disputed amount, suspected amount. And my lord, if your lordship may kindly turn to the following page, page number 24. Page number 24. Page number 24. In the transaction which occurred on 11th October 2024, there is a transaction of rupees 3 lakhs. Page number 24. In the middle of the page, 11th October 2024.
Yes.
There is a transaction of rupees 3 lakhs. This is the alleged suspected amount, my lord. And under any circumstances, my lord, they cannot hold lien more than rupees 3 lakhs. But at this stage, my lord, they are freezing my entire account.
3 lakhs 6,107.
That is the alleged.
That is the exact figure.
That is the allegation from the respondent. But on that day, 11th October, there is no transaction more than 3 lakhs.
I see.
So my prayer at this stage is that, my lord, they cannot hold the lien more than rupees 3 lakhs, and the entire the remaining balance, I should be allowed to utilize it. They cannot freeze the
How
entire
much is
bank
there
account.
in your account now?
Rupees 5 lakhs, 9,000.
So you want to spend 2 lakhs,
Yes,
leaving
my
aside 3 lakhs?
Yes, my lord, at this stage, as an interim measure.
Yes.
My lord, the reason why we still hold the account under debit freeze is because we have received another instruction from Maharashtra Police Station dated 12/10/2024, where the suspicion amount is 103461, 10,003.
10,000.
1,03,461.
Where is
and
that? Where is that?
It is. I have annexed it at Annexure 2, my lord.
In my writ petition, my lord, I have enclosed that also. In the meanwhile, my lord, you also may kindly notice that the said transaction occurred on 11th October 2024, amounting to rupees 3 lakhs. And from the instruction of the Tamil Nadu Cybercrime Unit, the suspected amount is rupees 3 lakhs 6,107. And again, from the Maharashtra Cybercrime, my lord, page number 32. Page number 32.
That you didn't tell me. 32.
Page number 32, my lord. On the fourth column, amount. Transaction rupees 3 lakhs is there. And the date of transaction is 11/10/2024. And the disputed amount is rupees 1,03,461. So either from...
This is over and above the 3 lakhs.
No, my lord. On the 11th of October, this is only transaction of rupees 3 lakhs. So both the complaint from the Maharashtra cybercrime and the Tamil Nadu were within that rupees 3 lakhs only. This transaction of rupees 3 lakhs only on that day, on the same day.
3 lakhs is the transaction.
Yes, my lord.
According to the Maharashtra police, disputed is 1 lakh.
Yes, my lord.
So, in respect of the rebalance of 2 lakhs, there is no dispute.
No dispute.
Is so far as Maharashtra is concerned.
Yes, my lord.
But in so far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, they say 3 lakhs.
Yes, my lord.
So it is safe to allow you to spend 2 lakhs.
Yes, my lord.
And if you want, you can keep that 2 lakhs for the time being.
Yes, my lord. That is my humble prayer at this stage.
Yes, miss, this 3 lakhs is from the Tamil Nadu Cyber Police.
Yes, my lord.
And 1 lakh disputed is from Maharashtra.
Yes, my lord. I have explained it at para 8
So
of my
whether it's
affidavit
3 lakhs plus 1 lakh or it's 3 lakhs at one go, at one side, and 1 lakh also is there, which should be out of that 3 lakhs.
That, my lord.
You appear for the bank,
Yes, my lord.
you have filed affidavit in opposition.
Yes, my lord.
What is your statement?
I
Stand.
have explained it at para 8 of my affidavit in opposition.
Paragraph number?
Number 8. I have acted only in compliance with the instruction that I have received from the police stations, my lord.
Okay. How much is there in his account or in her account? Petitioner's account?
The statement of account is at Annexure 1, my lord. About 5 lakhs.
Where is that? Next year 1.
Yes, my lord. Page number 22.
Page number?
22.
Mm. 22. This is as on 15/9/25.
As generated on 16/9/2025.
16/9. Generated on 16/9/2025 at 6:33 p.m. Amount shown is 512,780.61. This is the amount.
Yes, my lord.
So, what is the instruction received from them to freeze the entire account?
Yes, from Maharashtra, my lord.
Where is
And
that?
from Tamil Nadu, it is to lien the account, lien the disputed amount only from Tamil Nadu. However, due to the Maharashtra instruction.
Where is that Maharashtra instruction? Let us see again.
Page number 32.
32.
Here also to lien only the suspected amount, rupees 1 lakh, 3,461. So both the suspected amount came under rupees 3 lakhs. Because there's only rupees 3 lakhs transaction on that day.
But where's the remarks saying that you have to...
Remarks, my lord, on the third right column, preventive lien marked for rupees 103461.
Preventive lien, mark for so-and-so. So they want this amount to be secured.
Yes, my lord.
This is from the Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
And as far as
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu is concerned, anything of that sort? Lien amount.
From page number 30, page number 30.
30.
Yes, my lord. $306,107.
Sorry? How much?
Rupees 3,06,107. Page number 30 of my writ petition. This is in respect of Tamil Nadu.
This is the amount they want to be secured.
Yes, my lord. And both the transaction was on the same day. There was only one transaction amounting to rupees 3 lakhs on that 11/10/2024.
How did this transaction happen? The amount went from your account to somebody.
No, my lord. I have received this amount from my husband.
You have received this account from.
I'm on the layer 3 of this transaction.
What do you mean layer 3?
My husband received some amount from some person. He is layer 2, and I received another transaction. I'm in the layer 3, but there is no FIR or investigation or whatever as such till date from the investigating authority. And there's the provision of section 106 of BNSS has not also been complied with.
What is that?
Regarding seizure of property by the police officer, which has to be reported to the magistrate immediately.
166.
106.
106.
The corresponding in CRPC is 102.
BNSS.
BNSS 106. Subsection 3.
No, this is regarding Caesar.
Yes, my lord.
In your case, account has been freezed. Will that amount to seizing of that account?
Yes, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the police officer, as well as the cybercrime, they do not have any authority to freeze my account without obtaining permission from the competent magistrate or otherwise.
So this freezing has been done under what provision?
They have not invoked any provisions of law, and it is also there's also no intimation given to the petitioner, bank account holder, from the police.
Police. It's only from the bank.
It's only from the bank.
When was the item delivered? As per the consignment report.
My lord, the transaction was occurred on 11th October 2024, and the alleged report complaint was on the following day, 12th of October 2024. And after freezing of my account, my lord, there was no further development at all.
No, what I'm saying is regarding the notice. Notice was
6th
delivered
of February
on 6th of February.
2026.
Should we not wait for some more time?
My lord, if I may say so, my lord, the petitioner and her husband had also already visited the cybercrime unit at Tamil Nadu. And in pursuant to this, my lord, they have given this letter dated 7th of November 2024, which is at page 30, my lord, whereby In pursuant to the request and explanation, my lord, they have already instructed the bank by the police cybercrime to defreeze their bank account.
Page 30.
Page 30, my lord. If your lordship may kindly see the second paragraph.
Which page? Page 30.
Page 30, 30, my lord. Second paragraph, my lord. Hence, we are request you to defreeze the below mentioned in the same bank account and hold the disputed amount of such and such in account for such and such, my lord. In spite of this, my lord, the bank authority were reluctant to defreeze my account beyond the disputed amount.
This is from Tamil Nadu.
Yes, my lord.
Then from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, my lord, we have not yet received any steps in our favor. But there are no investigation or any intimation given to us.
Okay, please write. Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel, appears for the petitioner, while Miss, your good name?
Laltan Louis.
Miss Laltan Louis, learned counsel, appears
For the respondent number 1.
This is item number?
This is item number 3. Item number 3.
Your name is not there?
The second last name.
Okay, okay. Miss Laltan Louis, learned counsel, appears for the respondent number 1. Stop office note dated 18/2/2026 indicates that upon tracking the postal consignment, the item bracket notice was found to be delivered to the addressee on 6/2/2026. Stop. In other words, both the respondent numbers 2 and 3 have been served notice through a registered post, and the postal consignment shows that the item has been delivered to them. Stop. As such, notice is accepted to be complete on the respondent numbers 2 and 3. Next para. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner has sought for a direction to the respondent authorities concerned to defreeze her bank account, which was frozen, upon the instructions received from the Tamil Nadu Cyber Crime Police. And from the Maharashtra State Cybercrime headquarters as well. Stop. The petitioner operates a bank account with the respondent number 1 under account number. What is your account number?
Page number 23, my lord. Account summary, account number
100-173-486 028. Stop. According to the Tamil Nadu Cyber Crime Police, a complaint has been received by them to the effect that an amount of rupees 306,107 has been wrongly credited to the account of the petitioner. And therefore, necessary investigation and steps be taken in that regard. Stop. Similarly, as per the Maharashtra Cybercrime Police Headquarters, out of the transaction in the bank account of the petitioner on 11/10/2024 amounting to rupees 3 lakhs, there is a disputed amount of rupees 103,461. So accordingly, the respondent numbers 2 and 3 have requested the respondent number 1 to freeze the bank account of the petitioner. Insofar as the disputed amount is concerned. Full stop. Next para, Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the Cybercrime Police of Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra have not registered any case against the petitioner, and they have also not taken any permission from the court concerned to initiate the process of freezing the bank account of the petitioner. Full stop. The same, therefore, is in clear violation of the relevant provisions of the BNSS 2023. More particularly, Section 106, bracket 3 of the BNSS. He further submits that the petitioner had approached the Tamil Nadu Cyber Crime Police on the issue, and the latter accordingly issued a letter to the respondent number 1 on 7/11/2024. To defreeze the bank account of the petitioner but hold the disputed amount, that is rupees 306,107. Stop. However, the respondent number 1, instead of acting on the instructions, has freezed the entire bank account of the petitioner. Stop. He therefore submits that, leaving aside the disputed amount or lien amount, LIEN, the balance amount in the account of the petitioner should be allowed to be utilized by the petitioner. Next para. Ms. Lal Louis, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 1, submits that it is solely on the instructions of the cybercrime police concerned that the account has been frozen. Stop. She submits that in addition to the Tamil Nadu cybercrime police, the Maharashtra cybercrime police headquarters had informed the respondent number 1 that out of the transaction amount of rupees 3 lakhs on 11/10/2024, there was a dispute in respect of rupees 103,461, and therefore the said amount has been marked as preventive lien, LIEN. Stop. In furtherance thereof, the respondent number 1 had no other option but to freeze the bank account of the petitioner. To stop. She submits that the available balance amount in the account of the petitioner as generated on 16/9/2025 is rupees 512780.61. Next para, considering the above submission and on perusal of the materials available on record, the petitioner has been able to show a prima facie case for defreezing the bank account insofar as the undisputed amount is concerned. Stop. Accordingly, the respondent number 1 is directed to defreeze the bank account of the petitioner. How do we prevent that to retain the balance?
They will hold the lien.
Okay. Defreeze the bank account of the petitioner, but however, the bank shall retain, shall take steps to hold lien to the disputed amount, which comes to rupees 306,107. Stop. In other words, the said amount shall remain as a balance amount in the bank account of the petitioner until further orders.
My lord, for my own benefits, my lord, if Your Lordship may permit me, I am placing one citation, similar nature of case.
What is this?
This is a case of Madras High Court. If Your Lordship may kindly see from para 8. Similar nature of case.
To stop, the petitioner is thus allowed to operate the bank account her bank account, and that she will maintain the minimum balance of rupees 306,107. So we'll keep the writ petition pending for some
Yes, my
time.
lord.
Let them appear. If they don't appear, we'll see what can be done. List the matter again after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Orders, item 4.
Lordship, if I may kindly be granted 2 weeks time for filing my objection, Lord.
Okay. Hart, Mr. Your good name?
A. Borua, my lords.
A. Barwa, learned counsel for the applicant, who submits that by filing this application, the applicant seeks his release on bail. To stop, the learned counsel submits that the applicant was arrested on 2/5/2023 on account of recovery of 2.553 kilograms of suspected heroin. Stop. As a result, Special Narcotics PS case number 30 of 2023 dated 2/5/2023 under section 21 bracket C/25 of NDNPS Act was registered and investigated into. By the CID Special Branch, Mizoram. Stop. Subsequently, investigation of the case was taken over by the Narcotics Control Bureau from the Narcotics Police Station, Aizawl, on 4/5/2023. Stop. The applicant thereafter has remained in custody since then. For about 942 days at the time of filing the instant bail application. Next para, the learned counsel submits that main grounds for filing the instant bail is that the applicant was not informed about the grounds of his arrest at the time of his arrest, or to his relatives. Any other grounds?
My lords, those are the primary grounds, my lords.
Okay.
Those are the grounds.
Next para, it may be seen that the applicant had earlier approached this court by filing bail application number 59 of 2024. And this court, white order dated 27/9/2024, bracket annexure 16, had rejected the bail application. So therefore, this is the second time the applicant is before this court, and the ground taken as mentioned above here is as mentioned herein above is for the first time. Next para, issue notice returnable by 2 weeks. You want 2 weeks? March, na? April. Returnable by 6th of March. Mr. C. Zoram Chana, Learned Special PP, NCB, accepts notice on behalf of the respondent. Leapard is granted to this respondent to file objection
If I may, Lordship, can we have it on 10th of?
by the next date, on or before the next date. List again on 10th of March. You read
My
this.
lords,
Deeply obliged.
my lords, may I also have a prayer, my lord. On the next day, can the case records also be called for, my lord?
The registry shall requisition the scanned copy of the TCR from the trial court concerned for perusal of this court. Instead of that 6th, you'll write 10th, okay? Date is 10th. And you are Mr. Barua.
Yes, my lords.
What Barua?
A. Borua, Arindam Borua.
A. Barua. Through RVC. You write that, huh? RVC. Okay.
Obliged.
All right.
So obliged, my lords.
Hearing item 11.
Yes.
May it please your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of learned counsel Neitsung Adarlong, counsel for the petitioner. Due to sudden illness of his son,
Okay.
he could not appear today, and in light of these unforeseen circumstances, we humbly pray that this matter may be adjourned.
You've written something down to
No,
read
sir.
before the court. Now, what is your name?
Lalmal Somsangi.
Okay, you're not there in this case.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, Mr. Neichu Adarlong is there, then Mr. P.C. Lal Thangmo is also there. What about him?
I'm
And one Miss Lal Rinthari is also there. There are 3 advocates. Where are they, all of them? Okay. What is your good name? Your name?
Lalmal Somsangi.
Miss Lalmal Somsangi, Learned Counsel, submits that the engaged counsel, Mr. Neichung Adarlong, has some personal difficulties to conduct the case today and prays for adjournment on his behalf. Stop Ms. Vanesiami, Learned Government Advocate, appearing for the state respondents, has no objection to the prayer. In view of above, matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks.
Yes, your
All
lordship.
right. Give your name in writing to her.
Yes,
Lalmal
sir, that's
Somsangi,
it.
the
Yes.
spelling. Okay. Time is it? Okay.